Hey friends, hey y'all. So I just got my new MCM package. I sold a few things on Poshmark. I used the money to buy me some new shoes, and we're gonna go ahead and open them right now. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and open her. Oh, look. Okay, so it has the MCM detail right there. And I have a thank you card. And the thank you card just has a return label and, yeah, my receipt. Okay, so this is, it looks like it shifted in the mail, or maybe they only put the tissue on this part, but it has the bubble in the back. The bubble, it has the bubble wrap in the back. Okay. Well, that didn't go too well. Alrighty, and then I have the MCM box. Oh. More bubble wrap, and that is all. Oh, and then here it says my package was packed by Nita S. Was packed by Nita S. So thank you, Nita, for taking care of my package. Here are the shoes. All right, so shoestrings, authenticity card, and we have, what's this? Oh, okay, I was about to say it's something dirty on my bag. Dust bag. More tissue wrap. And here is the shoe, guys. I like it. So there's nothing else in here. And here's the other one. No scuffs so far. I don't see anything. Yay! Yay! I got my shoes. All right, so let me give you guys a close-up. Okay, guys, so here are my beauties. And it came with this extra pair of shoestrings. So now that I have the extra pair of shoestrings, I'm not sure if I want to do the black or the tan. I like the black because it has the black MCM here logo, and then I got the black soles. So I'm thinking I'm gonna keep the black, but you know, I don't know, I might switch it out and do these every now and then. So cute. What's this? It looks like it's a spot on camera, but it's not. It's like glue, so I have to wipe that off. They should have wiped that off for me. But here they are. Absolutely love. Absolutely love. I love them just looking at them. I may not like them when I try them on. All right, let me try them on. Y'all, I'm really sad because now that I look at them, they look like they're too big. So I think I might have to take these back. Yeah. All right. are huge. They fit. They fit. They fit. Okay, let me try my right foot. I don't know about having my shoestrings like that, like this. I'm probably gonna tie mine. But for now, got it on. I can't believe these shoes look way too big for me when I was looking at them just now. But my toe is right here. I have lots of room for all of my toes. And they fit. They fit. They fit. They fit. They fit. Woo! I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of my new MCM shoes. And I'll see you next time.
Let me level with you. Let me be in your crew. I just wanna be free. Be with people like me.